Hello everyone. Well, I have 16 pounds, 14 ounces, and 2 packages to unbox tonight. So, Cotty has her microphone on, so maybe you can hear her purr or meow. So, this is an update to the Miller TIG welder upholstery sequencer project. So this box here is of course from JLCPCB. I am not sponsored by JLCPCB. I just use them. I am very impressed with their speed, their quality, and their pricing is good. So I have a knife in my hand, so she's going to be all over me. Every time I have something sharp, she wants to play. So maybe you can hear her purr. I'm going to open this box up. This box has been here for almost a week. I was waiting on the second package right here. So this okay. We have these are adapters for the Zeltec. These here are adapters for the 7500 GX, which is right here. It basically is this adapter with this magic chip all integrated. I'll be taking all the parts off that and putting it on to this board. I'll just open that up real quick here. Yeah. Crack the silicon. Okay. So they're slightly bigger than the factory board. But all the logical go on the back right there. So I really like the black from JLCPCB. It cleans the flux off nice. It's not too glossy, not too shiny. I'm not a pro at making circuit boards, so I'm still doing it as I go. So, okay. The next two. And okay. Okay, this is looks like the sequencer board. Oh, that's scary, huh? Here, let's give you some cookie here. She likes her cookies. Keep her distracted-ish. Yeah, these should be version 2. These are going to be the retail boards. Now, I really didn't think this project was going to take off and be an actual product for sale, but that's the way it ended up being. So, oh yeah. Is version 2 of the retail board. Kind of perfect fit in that box there. Okay. Pull one of these out. Okay, that is the sequencer board. I added resistors for the LED just in case I cannot find the current LEDs that I'm running, so I can run any LED and drop the current so that they are about the same brightness as a factory Miller board. So that's version 2. That's going to be the retail board when it's all assembled. I'm still waiting on parts. And these will be the V2 pulsers. Yeah, I'm very impressed with JLC PCB. I haven't had any issues yet. Everything's been as I designed it. The tolerances are really, really good. I ordered a bunch this time, so I will be assembling a whole bunch of these. I got one here of the V4, which was the last of the beta boards, or version 1.4. Okay, so here's version 2. I did not forget to have them plate my hole. See, on the beta board, the hole wasn't plated. So now it's plated. I removed that standoff hole because we did not need a standoff with these boards, because on the factory Miller board, it uses a tactile switch here, so when you're pushing the button, you're flexing the board. I noticed the colors shades slightly different. It's a little lighter blue, but yeah, she wants to be annoying. Okay, I'll let her be annoying. Same here, I put a resistor for that LED so that if I need to use some different LEDs, I can change that value of the resistor and it won't be so bright, or it won't burn it out immediately. I also added jumpers to permanently enable it or disable it, but on the other side of the board, I added dip switches, a dip switch right there. So that will be populated for now, so you can select and turn off that LED if you don't want it on, if you just want the button LED, or if you don't want the button LED and just want the factory LED, you can have that. So that was the only changes between the last beta board and the retail version. So functionally, all the potentiometers are the same. Everything else is the same. So as I said, I got a whole bunch of these now. I will assemble a bunch. That way there won't be no wait times. I will not be assembling these as they're ordered. I will probably just assemble 10 or 12, and as they go out the door. Okay. Let's just put these like that. She wants rubs. Okay, next one. This one, I was not going to do the older Miller 250DX, and then I stumbled across this faceplate here. So I was able to get all the accurate measurements. I gambled a little bit. I don't have them here, but I 3D printed the boards to make sure they fit before I ordered, because I ordered a bunch of them also. Okay. Yeah, JLC PCB's customer service is great. If you have a technical question, they generally respond back really, really quick. I use the Easy EDA software, which is their EDA board design software. Coming from Eagle, the Easy EDA was super simple. I used Eagle in the 90s, and I tried KiCad or KiCad. I tried a few others, and I just couldn't get the hang of it. And Easy EDA was simple. Kind of lives up to its name. Okay, here are the boards for the older 250DX, which is the flat face 250DX. I have so many of these JLC PCB boxes. So, gotta be careful opening these. There we go. Yeah, the blue is nice, but I have seen, like I said, an inconsistency in the shade of blue from batch to batch. So let's pull one of these ones out. They are slightly longer. See that? They're slightly longer. The spacings of the potentiometers are totally different. They're a little bit wider. And they're slightly different on the height. So you can't mess these boards up. This one is to replace part number 190738. And this one replaces 300-547, 239373, 195345, and 215411. So I think I have enough potentiometers to assemble one of these and try it in the faceplate. I'm waiting on potentiometers. She wants pets. She's been waiting patiently. And I will do the same on these. I will assemble a few and have them ready. I'm still trying to work on some sort of shopping cart for my blog or my website. So right now it's just going to be, if you want to order one, you'll have to contact me and I'll send you out an invoice. That's the best I can do right now. I'm not that big of a web admin, so. Let's see. Is there anything else here I was going to talk about? No, but we can feed the kitty. Oh. She likes her cookies. I think the only thing she eats is cookies. She's a really petite, light kitty. So I'll come back once I have a set of these assembled. Let me open up this one here while we're here. Losing train of thought. It is 2 a.m. and I am on coffee, so. Yeah, I didn't think the older ones were going to be popular, but I've had a lot of requests for the older ones. That one was open. And same with this one. The board is slightly longer. The potentiometers are spaced differently. But I think they're built in different plants. That's why the shades of blue are different. It'd be nice to have them all the same shade, but yeah, she's just gonna, yep. But all the plating looks good. I mean, functionally, the color really don't matter. Blue is blue. So, said I will get these assembled and tested and test fit. I spent a lot on the shipping, but everything is here except for the parts. And then I got a cancellation on my shipping for my potentiometers. They should have been here by tomorrow, which I got a note that my shipping label's been canceled. I don't know, or the shipment's been canceled. And then I messaged the seller what was going on. He says there was a delay and they're going to upgrade me to UPS. And they'll post another tracking number. So that's 750 potentiometers to assemble all these. I will catch y'all later. Stay tuned.